Good morning, student. Welcome to 4th standard English class. Today we are going to see the topic poem Vacation written by Rabindranath Tagore. In this poem, a child compares his life. A brilliant writer and poet and musician awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature. Okay, first I read the poem. Listen. When the gong sound 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were hawker, spending my day on the road, crying bangles. When at 4 in afternoon I come back from school, I can see through the gate of the house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He spoils his cloth with dust. Nobody takes him to take task is if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. Okay, in this poem, listen. A large metal disc and make a loud ringing the sound 10 in the morning, and I walk to school by our lane. Every day I meet one who sells his pots on the roadside, the crying bangles and the crystal bangles. It's nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place, no time when he must come home. I wish I never however spending my day the road the clear hard material with a shine bangles. At 4 in the afternoon I come back from school. She throw the gate house the gardener with hands the ground. He likes with his a digging implement his soil, his cloth with dust. Um, task task if he get back in the sun or gets wet. Okay, sun or gets wet. Okay, student, next. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sent me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp standing like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadow with my lantern. Okay, listen this poem. A gardener with hands away at the garden, with nobody to stop uh, me from digging with means with hands. And then gets dark in the evening. And my mother send me to bed. I can see my opened window the watchman walking up and down. Lane is dark and lonely. The street lamp stand like a giant with one's red eye in its head. Watchman sings a portable light with a long handle with a glass the encasement, and then walks with his shadow his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. A watchman walking the street at night and chasing the shadow with my lantern. Okay, student, clear? Okay, thank you.